Welcome back everyone, I'm Ernest with UpFix. Today in front of me I have a Ford 2005 Escape PCM power control module, and I'll be showing you what goes wrong inside of this unit and what I'll be doing as far as repairs. If you have cylinder misfire issues, ignition coil codes, P0351 all the way to P0356, it's most likely inside this PCM. Let's get started. So that was the repair of the Ford Escape 2005 PCM. You could get a used unit or new, but that could cost you hundreds if not thousands of dollars. Here at UpFix, we have a better solution. Get your original one repaired. That way you won't have to pay for any additional programming. It'll be plug and play since it's your original unit, and essentially save you hundreds if not thousands of dollars. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, follow us on our socials, and we'll see you next time.